Today, we'll create a perfume video with a soft aesthetic in Canva. This video was created with Canva AI. Type this message. Download the video and add it to your design. Add frames with letters and duplicate the video in each frame. To prevent the video and text from blending together, apply different filters. The video, select the Luna filter. And for each frame, select the Capri filter. Add the perfume bottle. Duplicate the page. On the next page, we only need to remove the video itself. Everything else remains. Duplicate the page again. Delete the frame with the letters. Slightly raise the perfume bottle. Add a video of the peony, as it's the main ingredient in our perfume. Also add text and change the color. Add a lift effect. Choose the cormorant font and animate the text. Add a logo and animate it. Add transition, match and move. Add a music and your video is ready.